Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. So today we are going that we will see today like how to interface temperature sensor with Arduino Uno. And here we are using LM35 temperature sensor. Okay, so we'll see the connection. First we'll see the sensor. So if you type on Google like LM35 sensor, 35 temperature sensor, then you will get all the details of temperature sensor. Okay, so you can see here this, you can go in images, then see I'll take this. Here it has 3 pins. Okay, for this LM35 sensor there will be 3 pins, that is one will be the supply hole, then second one will be the output, and third one will be the ground. Okay, 3 terminal will be there for this sensor. So this sensor we are using, and by using this we will monitor the temperature in room temperature. You can use that for to monitor room temperature, how much it is, for that you can use. Okay, so here we are using Arduino Uno controller, so we need to interface that temperature sensor with Arduino Uno. So for that what we'll do, we need a connection. So you can type like this, how to interface LM35 sensor with Arduino. Okay, if you type like this you will get all the connections, so you can do connection very easily. So I'll take this connection. See, this sensor is what it is, a analog sensor, so we need to connect this to analog pin only of Arduino Uno. Then VCC, we need to give 5 volt supply. Okay, so 5 volt VCC, and then next is ground. So like this we need to do the connection. Okay, once the connection is done, then you need to go for programming. So I will show you the connection. I have done connection, that I will show you. See here I have taken here one temperature sensor, then one pin is gone to A0 of this Arduino, then second one is, this is a ground pin, that is third pin, and first one is supply. I have given 5 volt supply. Okay, so like this connection I have done, same what it is there, like this also you can do. Okay, so this is the connection. Then next we'll move to what, programming. So you need to open for that Arduino IDE. Okay, so open that. I have program that I will show you because it will take time, so I have written already that program. Just I will explain and I will show you how to execute that. So see here I have connected that temperature sensor to A0 pin. Okay, so we need to declare which pin we are using. So I have declared that is A0 pin. Okay, then this is a serial monitor. We need to declare baud rate, because here we are seeing the output on serial monitor, so this baud rate must and should be there here. Okay, then next you can see here I have taken void loop. You know what is void loop? It will be in continuously rotating mode. Okay, means it will, infinite loop will be there. Then see here I have taken one variable. You can declare outside of this loop also or inside of this loop also, no issue for that. So here it is inside of loop. So integer temperature, it is, this is one variable we have declared, it is in int, and the temperature value it will be in float because it is analog, so it will be in float also. So we have declared all the variables here. Then see here this temperature, we are reading the value from that sensor. So it is a analog sensor, so we need to take what, analog read the value of this temperature sensor. Okay, that we are storing in one variable, that is ADC is nothing but analog to digital converter. Okay, so means this is just a variable, just I am telling the brief of this. Okay, so what we are doing here, we are storing the we are taking the values from temperature sensor, and that we are storing here. Okay, then see here, convert ADC value to equivalent voltage. So we are converting this ADC value using 4.88 equivalent voltage. Okay, so we'll get here equivalent voltage. Then what we'll do, we'll convert this, we want this result in Celsius, so we're converting that. See, LM35 gives output of 10 millivolt per degree Celsius. So to get this result in degree Celsius, we have taken this formula. Okay, so that we are storing in temp unders, means this value only we have taken and we are storing in same variable. So here what we'll get the result, and that will be in what, it will be in degree Celsius. Okay, so what I will do now, I will select the controller. So go in tools, then select Arduino Uno, it is already selected. Yes, port is also selected. Then do compile. For compile it will take some time. Okay, it is compiling now. Yes, compiling is done. Then next we need to do upload. Okay, it is uploading. Yes, yeah, uploading is done now. Okay, it is done now. Then we'll see the output now. So what I will do, I will keep here like this, and then our output will see this, and this is our connection. So you can see here we are getting 26.35 degrees Celsius temperature. Okay, it is 26.84. just I am heating this temp sensor now. You can see by hand only I am doing. See, it is increasing now. It is now 30.74, 31.72. Okay, so like this we can monitor the temperature. We can use this to monitor body temperature also. Yes, you can see we are getting correct result. I will remove hand now. You can see it will decrease now. Now it is monitoring room temperature. So like this we can use this LM35 temperature sensor. So if you have any queries regarding this or any questions, please comment it. We'll answer to that. And I hope you got this tutorial. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you in next session.